This is maybe one of the best customer-led conference I've ever attended. And I see a lot of customers here, a lot of partners. So really enjoy the discussion. Really looking forward to the bright future between ANYbotics and AWS.
We found ANYbotics about a year ago, got in contact and immediately found a good connection on the personal side. We found ANYbotics very customer-friendly, open to help and explore new ideas.
I think the event is important to show us how ANYbotics is compliant with quality assurance and the reliability of the product, but also the new functionalities and payloads that the customer can expect, like the gas guard, for example.
We like to build the technology that's enabling robots of the future. ANYbotics is just that, and they are making a great impact by showing that AI and intelligent robots are getting out there. They're in the hands of customers, so that's great to see.
I think the main impact, especially for Outokumpu, is that we can reduce exposure of our employees to hazardous areas. And I think, in addition, we have a lot of reliability opportunities we can cover already now during our deployments.
Very happy that I met the expertise behind ANYbotics, told them what is my wish list, met the operators who already used it, and wait for me in 2025 telling you about my experience with ANYmal D in UAE.